give you my heart.
Hi guys, so this is just going to be a random, not a random vlog, but it's mostly going to be about my dot coasters. So this is a kind of dedicated video to my dot coasters, and on Monday I will be getting some more supplies for packaging and posting off my first ever order off my friend. So that will be happening. I don't think I'll be sending it out till the following week, but I want to get all the packaging ready. I've also got another, one of my family members wants some coasters as well, so I'll probably post them before I post the order one, because the order one, she still needs to pay me. It's one of my friends. But yeah, she asked for a 6-pack of coasters without the coaster holder, and these are, I'm not finished with this, I still need to do the clouds, more of the white, and I need to do the back of the blue. I should have recorded this when I first started them. As you can see, the back is still blue. The back is still wood, and that one. And then this one. So I'm doing 2 of each, except from the Halloween one. And then I've done one of these. This isn't finished yet, but this is the yellow background, and this is the pink background. Let me know what one you prefer. I feel like that one stands out more, but yellow is so hard to do so many layers. You can't just do one layer. And I've also done this one. This is a sunflower, and I'm starting to do this one as well. So this is a second sunflower. But while they are drying, I'm going to do the second part of my Halloween collection, and this is the emoji ghost. So I'm going to draw that on here now. So let's get into a time lapse. So that is pretty much all of the dot painting I am going to do today. I did do the sunflower today as well, drawed it and everything, and painted the clown. But most of the footage, or most of the stuff I've done today, I haven't filmed, so that's why it doesn't look like I've done much. But I've nearly finished my friend's order. All I need to do, I need to make her a cherry, and I need to finish off this. But I'm going to wait till tomorrow so this is fully dry inside. And then maybe touch up the clouds. But except from that, I can start varnishing them soon and putting on these at the back. So these are just see-through stickers what go on the back of coasters. That just helps it like stay balanced more. So they will be going onto them as well. And this is the start of the ghost emoji Halloween rain that I'm doing. I've said this in most of my videos lately, but if you want to check out my Facebook of my dot art by Robyn, it is linked in the description. It's my Facebook group that is linked in the description, or I will link my like page in the description as well, because my Facebook group is private and I can't unprivate it. So I've made a like page as well. So that is everything I'm doing today. I might do some later on, but for now, that is me done. And starting to do this, it hasn't became a 9 to 5 job thing, but let's just say it's nearly 5 o'clock. And once again, I've been doing this most of the day. I started at 10. No, like half. I started at 11. So like, and then I got my lunch, and then I continued. But it's just because I'm taking my time, I don't want to rush it. Especially because it's a paid order, so I want it to look as good and as professional as it can. Also, let me know in the comments how the sound is. I have no mic on right now. This is just my iPhone 12 microphone and camera quality. So let me know what you think, because this is the first video with me filming on my new iPhone. Teddy. I'm in a different top because I'm about to paint after I end this vlog. But before I end it, I wanted to show you guys what I got from Hobbycraft. I only went into Hobbycraft today. I did go into the range. I only bought one thing for my coasters and like. And the first thing I got is packaging. So this is to send off whenever I get an order, of course. There's only 4 in there because I've only got potentially 3 orders. but one of them is a family friend, so that one's free. And then there's my friend ordering a 6-pack of coasters. So I didn't get a big package. You can get bigger ones than these ones. So I just got the smaller version. And then there's one of my friends yesterday just asked me if I could draw a wolf and a moon, and this is the picture, so I'm going to try and do that. I'm practicing on paper first before I put it on the coaster, but then when I've done all the coasters I will be sending it off. And to personalise them, because I feel like it's kind of like really plain to just put them in there and be like, there's your package. I want to add the little detail, because it's the little details that possibly make someone want to buy more things off you. So I'm doing a Halloween collection. I'm starting to do one. I've done a pumpkin, I'm doing a ghost right now, and I'm going to do a skeleton soon. So I've got Halloween tissue paper to wrap around the coasters, so when you open it they are like sealed. And then I've got dark pink and pastel pink, or like lighter pink. I was persuading on getting the purple one, but I was like, no, I don't need it. And then the one thing I got from the range is these stickers. I thought they said made by, like, this is homemade, but it actually said this card has been homemade by, and then I would probably put my name. But I've got these cards. They are just plain cards, but I'm thinking, again, the little details when you have a small business, like small business, I don't know if I should call it business right now, but when you're a small person, literally, you make the little things, so like wrapping the coasters in there. So I'm going to put these stickers on here, and then on the cards I'm going to put like, thank you for supporting me, or something at the front, just for a little detail. Or I might do like a new design and like do a design at the front and be like, this design is something that you may like, or I don't know. But I just got plain white cards, and then I got some more posters, and then I got pastel pink paint, because I ran out and I need it for all of the coasters I'm making. So that is all of my Hobbycraft haul, everything I got. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you next time. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs about me, like starting my own little business and like starting to sell my dot art coasters, and hopefully in the future I'll be doing more decorations. They had the Christmas and Halloween stuff in Hobbycraft, but I didn't know if I really was gonna do like Christmas decorations yet, so I might go back and get some, but I don't know yet. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you next time. Bye.